Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your brother UD and I am the CEO of Pips to Dollar FX, and I am also on Instagram as UDFX, and I have my own Telegram channel which I share free signals every week, and the link to the description of the channel will be in the link to the channel will be in the description of this video, so you don't have to miss it. You just have to join the channel and see how traders are enjoying the free signal. Note, it is free, you don't need to pay for anything. So right, let's get started for today. As you know, in this channel, what I do is that I share back-to-back weekly analysis of what I am seeing about the market, what I think the market will do, my thought processes, and where are the key levels that we are going to watch for the week. So if you are a type that loves pure price action, you don't need much indicators in your charts, then this is truly the right channel for you, because here we post analysis of the pairs that we are looking for the week using pure price action. That's how we do it here. So if you are new to the channel and you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the channel on the notification button, so that in any time I post a new video, you will always and always be updated. Yes, and also like and share the video, so that in that case it will help us with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much. If you have done so, let's get started. Okay, now this week I normally start with what we did last week, and if you have not watched the last week video, please do so to check the channel. The last video is the one we did last week, so you can check it out and see what I said and how they play out. Now, this was one of the pairs I talked about last week. It was one of the pairs I talked about last week. All the pairs I talked about played exactly as we analyzed, but I just want to talk about this one because there is no much time, because I still need to do another, maybe look at another two pairs that we are going to look out for the week. So this pair, remember I said I was looking at this area. After having a breakout of that zone. I was looking at that area for price to bounce back to the downside, and so coupled with my trend line confirmation here, and I also used Fibonacci level to pull from this point to where, okay, it was, the price was here. The price was, sorry about that, the price was right here. This was, no, the price was here, yes. So I moved my Fibonacci from here to here and measured this movement, that price is going to actually turn from this particular area, and it did. See, price did. So it was a very successful one. Well, I am still in the trade because I expected it to break this low, which it has done that, and we still have an opportunity to join this trade. So that is what I want to show us, how we are going to time entry into this trade as a sell. Yes, as a sell. So what I want to do when the market opens is I'll just pull out my Fibonacci. Now look at this. Let me show something first. Look at this point now that was broken now becomes our key level. This point now becomes our key level. So what I'm expecting to do when price opens is that I will expect to see a pull up to maybe somewhere around here, and then a price will move down again. So if I want to do that, I will always add more and more confirmations, because I like confirming. I like to know the exact points in which the price can easily turn. So what I will do right here is that I will bring out my Fibonacci level tool, and I will put it right from this top to this bottom here. Let me make it very well. So from here to this point, here, right here, from yes, this thing is Okay, from that point, yes. So what I'm expecting now is, guys, you see that this 50 Fibonacci level is a nice point for price to turn. Yes. So I'm looking at that point. I'm looking at that point, guys. So what I want to see is when price moved up to that point, it gives me a confirmation. So I will join the sell again. And my target is still down, because if you check the daily time frame, you will see that the risk to reward is very nice. Though I am still in the trade, but I'm just telling you how I will add more positions to the trade, because I'll add more positions to the trade. So my TP is still down here. If I move to the, yes, you see my TP is still right here. My TP is, oh, sorry about that, my TP is still down here. TP is still right here, right here. See that point now? So I'm selling it down to this particular line there. Yes. So that is what I'm expecting to do with Euro CHF, Euro CHF, Euro CHF. Yes. So what I will just do is I shall move to the 1 hour time frame. So when I have the movement right to that point on that hour 50 Fibonacci level and see a confirmation, then I will sell the market. I will add more positions. So that's basically what I want to do. So after that being said, let us move to the next pair on my list here, which is Euro CHF. I'm watching on Euro CHF. Now this trade also, I am in a buy, but I've not gone out yet. I want to go out at this point. I want to go out at this particular level. I want to go out here. This is where I want to go out. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Now if you look at this point, look at how this market consolidated right about here and then broke out of this point now. So maybe the uptrend has started now, but I what I want to see is a bounce to this area, a bounce to this area that was previously broken. So after I bounce to this area, now we now push up again. So what I do is that the way I trade counter trend is that I will just look back to see if I can have any key level that can push the price to go counter trend. So when I looked at I looked left, I saw this point as that was acted as support sorry, resistance. I saw here as support. I saw this particular point. So I knew, how I know that price may possibly when it gets to this zone, turn to retest this particular one before it moves up. You get? So that's very simple. So what am I going to do? I'm going to look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame now. Look at, this is the zone that I just marked out on the 4 hours. Now when price comes into that zone, maybe it gives me something like a double top there, and I will sell it down to this point, down to this area. Now guess what? After this area has been tested, I will now be looking for another confirmation again, then to push up. So that is how I want to follow that market. That's how I want to follow it. It's very simple. You can see that. So we move from zone to zone. So as this area was taken, this area should be retested for price to continue in that uptrend. You got that? So now that is very very simple to understand. I guess it's very simple to understand. Yes, it is. So what you just have to do is, you just have to use your eyes and know the key levels in the market that price may turn, now. The concept right here is that price broke out of this area previously. Price broke out of here. Now it's going back to retest there. Yes. So when it comes down, price will also meet another obstruction here. And possibly will turn up again to start making higher highs and higher lows. You get? So That's the concept. That's what I'm actually using to predict this direction of movement. So that will be that for Euro CHF. That will be that for Euro CHF. So let me move to the next one here on my list. AUD card. Yes, AUD card. If you observe, what I like doing is that I like to see price break a structure, previous structure. Then I will now wait for a retest to that structure. So if I have a retest to that structure and have my pattern there for confirmation, then I will sell, or depending on how the case may be, I will buy. So in this particular one now, notice that price broke through this level. Can you see this level was tested so many times here? This level was tested. Now price broke through it nicely, broke through it. Now went for a retest. So what I'm expecting right here is that when the market opens, price should maybe push in a little back to that area, then we move down. I've gotten my first stop here already. Okay, now this place now that this price broke is our key level. So let's move to the lower time frame, like 1 hour. Now look at that area is here, that area is right here, the area is right here. So what I'm looking at now is I've gotten my first stop here. So I'm looking for price when it opens, price to just move to make a second top there, then we move down. That's what I'm expecting. That is basically what I'm expecting around that zone. So that's why you see me draw this small rectangle there, so that when price goes in to touch, this one would have confirmed the double top. But what happened right here is that I don't trade nearly this thing. No, nearly touched. It nearly touched this zone, but it did not. So I'm still waiting for it to go and touch that zone completely, then bounce back. So that's what I'm expecting on AUD card. That's basically what I'm expecting on AUD card. So guys, I have other pairs that I'm looking at for the week, but I don't need to share everything here with us because the video will be very long. So I just want to share those ones with us so that we can also go and check it out. You see how it will play out when the market opens, so that you can also learn from it. If you want to be a part of the community of traders in which you share knowledge, you can join through the my channel there. You can join my Telegram channel so that you can meet with other traders and discuss forex issues and also enjoy free signal. Okay guys, I am also on Instagram, like I told you, as UDFX. So UDFX, like UDYFX. So that is the Instagram handle there. So thank you very much for staying around to the end of this video. I hope you have learned one or two things. Use that, go and add to your own trading strategy and modify it and make it work for you. So that's how it is. So guys, without wasting much of our time, I want to end the video here, and I will see us in another YouTube video. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and on the notification button, so that every time I post nice contents like this, you will always be updated. All right guys, thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye.